What's up, guys? And today we're gonna be playing Suicide. Mom, where you at? Yo, Ronaldo, chill!
Where's the laptop? What's the laptop? Where's the laptop?
Mom, Ronaldo chopped on
What's Zubaida playing on her tablet?
Yes.
Is that what she's on call to you guys on?
Yes.
Yeah, mad. Should I get Sky?
Yeah. You can't be in the stream while you're talking. Could make a bad icon.
Should I download?
If you
Let
want.
me try and make an account on here. Okay.
You guys, where are you? Mamadou, are you near Dirty?
So I need to download what do I need to download? Roblox and what's it called?
Yes, Mamadou, go there. I'm dead. I tried running to you, but I
This
tried.
one.
You guys, which, my sister wants to get Skype. Which Skype is it?
I've got it. Start loading.
Tomu.
Zubi.
It's the one at the top.
Zubaida. Do you want to come over around like 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock? Bring your tablet too so you can play Roll. Huh?
Just kill the guy.
You saw me?
What?
Dawood. Did you say you saw me?
Yeah, that was Mamadou.
Oh yeah, Mamadou, you said I was bullying you.
You guys, you can edit anyone's building, you know.
I didn't call Mamadou. I didn't call Mamadou. I call him Dudu. I call Mamadou Dudu.
Mamadou.
Mamadou. I mean Dudu. Mamadou. How do you sign in? Create one.
I'm on 4 HP, guys. I just got snaked. Spawn kill. I'm annoyed.
I've downloaded it now.
Fam, I just got spawn killed. I just killed someone on 28 health and that was on 100. I know, I couldn't do anything. I was on 30 kills on 100. I'm at the VTech Dirty Depot. Nah, you can't even pick up weapons on the ground. Yes, Mo! Get him! No, I said Mo, get the other guy. Mamadou! Where are you?
What should I'm gonna put?
What cabin? Are you building? Who's building? I doubt I see you. Marty's on the ground.
How what should I say I am?
Dawood, are you in there, Mamadou? I see him, Dawood, I'm coming. Dawood, I just got sniped.
I just said
Oh, I didn't care if I didn't get any kills. I got spawn killed legit like every time. Mamadou, did you leave the game? You did? Okay, never mind. So why weren't you on that thing?
Guys, I've got Skype.
No, you probably came in late. What team are you on?
Which team should I use, Junior?
Oh no.
Which team? Look.
What team are you guys on?
Junior, look. Which one would you rather?
Fuck me. No, I'm on red. Yes then. Mamadou, someone's pushing you. Someone's rushing to your side. To your side. Mom, Dad,
What you got?
you might want to bet the beast. You guys, my sister got Skype. You guys, I'm coming in for the.
Only want to bet.
Only want the beast.
Wait, what is it? Junior, what is it?
Only want the beast. Only want. That's me.
Only one.
The beast.
The beast. The beast.
Yes, the beast. Cause I'm the beast. Me and Mommy D can make our.
Only one to bet.
Let me just write it.
Just say.
Just write it.
Listen.
Cause now you know.
Okay, Zubaida, what's yours? What? Yeah, what's your username?
Zubaida.
Zubaida News Hat?
No capital letters.
Yeah, look what it came up with.
Yes.
Good check, good on it.
See, look.
So this mark.
You click on that. Then right, you click that.
Yeah, what's this mark?
Mama do.
Zubaida. What is your username? Zubaida Nuhad. So
Oh. You know.
I sent you a wave, I think.
Check Zubaida.
Yeah.
Mama D, let's just make a big. Mama D, why don't we just make a building? Mama D, aim for the guy that has it.
Oh, I found you. You could have just said only want to bet the beast.
Where? Show me. Yes, then. Somebody added me.
What's
Guys, so
That was
please,
his
that'll
thing
be
once a
video
year.
today.